What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing an unboxing on something I really needed to buy for the Skyline. It's been driving me nuts and it's finally here. Like I just can't believe it. I waited a few days and it just got here so quickly. As you can see, I already cut it open, bought it from Amazon, and oh my god, this thing is going to change the whole experience of owning this Skyline. Let's go ahead and unbox it right now. There it is. There it is, guys. So if you guys wondering what the hell this is LED lights. I bought these lights to replace the ones that are in the car because the ones in the car are just awful. They keep flickering, sometimes they shut off completely, and when they want to go on, it's like a club in there. All the lights strobe and it's super annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it kind of looks like. Hopefully it shows it this time, but like it just randomly does it where it flickers so much and I couldn't deal with it. Alright, so we're in the car. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. See that? It's all nice and blue, kind of cool looking, you know. To me, I like the blue if this car would have been a different color. I have a black car with red brakes and red accents. This does not work for me. So it's crazy because sometimes I would drive and these would flicker on and off. Sometimes the fuel gauge goes completely black. Same with these jump around a lot and it's a distraction. I mean, either these bulbs are really cheap or they're just put in wrong. I think what's best is just to replace it all together. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace these, and I went ahead and chose the best color, the best finish that you can possibly get for these 90s JDM cars. And a lot of you guys might not agree, but most of the time it always suits it very well, especially in this car. And I'll tell you exactly why I chose this color after we complete this. So as you can see, I already got the vents out right here when we did the radio the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this all off right here and take that out, replace that first. This is going to be a little more challenging. I was told that we have to drop the steering column as well as removing the steering wheel just to get this piece out, because a lot of interference, and as you can see there's not a lot of space right here. So we're gonna figure this out together and hopefully this goes a lot smoothly than I am imagining in my head. So like I said, it just really bothered me that it flickered on and off whenever it felt like it. If there was like a drop in voltage somewhere in the car, it just goes haywire. So I want to go ahead and replace that, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this first since we're already here. Taking apart these older cars are quite easy compared to the new stuff. I find it to be a lot less screws and clips and stuff like that, so just take your time. It is old plastic. Here we go. This piece came off. I don't know why, but it looks like it's been cracked on both sides. Doesn't look, doesn't matter. Comes with a price when you buy a used car, right? So from my knowledge, just looking behind the cluster here, there's these little plastic clips. This one happens to be brown and a black one. So let's go ahead and just take one at a time. Take out one at a time and replace it. So as you can see here, this is some weird looking LED. It just has a blue, I don't know, this is weird. This is what LED bulbs used to look like, but they've definitely increased and enhanced the design a little bit better. So as you can see right here, these little tiny metal connectors is what's causing the issue. So sometimes the connector in here doesn't read this. I don't know, just we're not doing that anymore. We're gonna go with this one. So these are the new ones I got on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below if you guys are interested in getting these same exact ones. They're so nice. It actually has an LED light in the front and two LEDs on the sides. So this is gonna be super bright and super nice. Even the connector, you can see right there, connector, it's so well designed. Look at that. Definitely gonna have every single piece of this contacted, so you're not gonna worry about it not working. So let's just put this thing on. Back into the housing. Make sure it's perfectly seated, and then pull the next one out and just finish it up. Alright, moment of truth. Ooh. You can see that? So this one is having issues right here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this bulb around because the polarity might not be right. So let's correct that right now. Alright guys, so besides the noise, you can see this looks fantastic. It actually looks pretty damn close to a 350Z, and that's what I really want. I really like this look. See, it's flickering, acting funny. It's hard to capture it, but it's flickering and just I don't like it. So we're gonna go ahead and take this part out next. This might be a challenge for me, so hopefully this goes let's go according to plan. Alright guys, so we went ahead and took the whole trim off and the upper part of the steering column. It actually came off pretty easily. And now we gotta go ahead and get the 3 screws out. I think there's one on top and there's 2 on the sides over there. So once that comes off, we're gonna go ahead and tip the cluster forward and we're gonna replace the bulbs through the back. It's not hard to get to, so that's the only main reason why that's the only reason why I'm just gonna tilt it forward. I don't need to take the whole thing out because we still gotta test to see if the polarity is good. But I am super excited to get these blue LED lights and turn it into the orange/yellow ones. Alright guys, so I didn't go ahead and record the process of changing the bulbs and everything in the cluster because I didn't have a tripod and whatever. I was trying to get it in there and now it works. Let me show you guys exactly how it looks like.
11 minutes later.
Alright you guys, here we go. This is gonna be the verdict. Let's see how it looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks 1,000 times better, guys. Wow. These I can't change. The bulbs on these end up being a lot different than these. These are T5 bulbs. This is actually like a really small bulb. I'm probably gonna end up replacing these altogether to match these because only way to do that is I gotta find the small bulb size and maybe there's like a clip to it or something. Maybe it's its own entity. But I know there's 3 little bulbs back there. I can't replace it. I tried, I can't. So let's see how it looks like with the key on. Look at that. Even that is orange. It was a separate one. I caught it before I bolted everything together. So now as you can see, it's orange matching everything else. And it would have bothered me if that was still a different or a regular, like, you know, white bulb. But it's looking pretty damn good. I'm excited. This car is super nice now. I'm gonna definitely enjoy it. These LED bulbs should be really good. They had good reviews on Amazon, so I'm gonna put it in the link below if any of you guys want to buy it for your own personal cars. I just think it makes the car look fantastic. Makes it super like JDM looking. That's how I want it. When I had my Honda Acura Integra and Civics back in the day, I did all amber because this is how it should have came from factory. It's just so damn nice. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely something that's gonna make me enjoy this car a lot more is seeing everything working properly and not glitching out. It just looks fantastic. As you can see, that's just my personal taste. I really love the amber and somewhat red orangey look. It just looks so much better for this type of car. Again, sorry for teasing you guys with a big box and a small little package inside, but the car is looking great. I really kind of want these wheels, I just don't know. Like I said, I borrowed them from my buddy Rob. They're sitting really aggressive, so the car can't be driven right now. I don't want to drive on his wheels anyway because they're not mine. But if I did pull the trigger to buy these wheels and tires, it would be something I might consider. So you guys can tell me how you guys like the Nismo wheels on the black. The super blacked out with the red accents. How do you guys like that? Leave a comment below, let me know. Also like the video, it helps me out a lot. And everyone that's new watching, please subscribe. There's gonna be more videos coming on this channel. Also, please watch the old videos. There's tons of content on here. All types of cars, all types of projects. But for now, the Skyline video is gonna be the main source on this channel. So I hope you enjoy. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Let's see what happens later this week. But you won't know until you stay tuned and subscribe. Peace.